How's it going, everybody? Something a lot of people find strange is when they see a brand new Harley come into my shop and we're installing a cam on it with almost no miles. 5 miles on it, 10 miles on it, 500 miles on it, 700 miles on it. Done it many times. I've had bikes come to the shop directly from the showroom in a trailer. It's happened several times. People always ask the same question. Why would someone tear apart a brand new motorcycle? Today I'm going to explain exactly why that happens. There's nothing wrong with the factory cam Harley installs from the factory. Harley builds the bikes very strong, very reliable, and to meet EPA expectations and requirements. But in order for that to happen, the factory cam generally is very mild. It's designed for smooth idle, not very much sound, good gas mileage, dependability, all those things. And again, for the EPA reasons. As you know, a camshaft controls when the valves open and close. When you change the cam profile, you change how much air and fuel goes into the combustion chamber. That's why a cam install can completely change the engine. The reason why many new bike owners choose to do a cam install early, they bought a Harley for performance and excitement, and the stock setup is usually very conservative. Instead of riding the bike for years and then upgrading, many people just do it right away so they can enjoy the improved performance from the very beginning and not have to wait. In this shop, I've installed cams on bikes with 5 miles, 200 miles, 500 miles, and many under 1,000 miles. It's actually very common with riders who know exactly what they want from their motorcycle. They want the power where they ride most, usually strong torque in the mid-range. That's where I like my power, in the mid-range. It's a usable area for power for everyday street riding. When a cam upgrade is done correctly with the right tuning and supporting parts, you usually see stronger acceleration, more torque, better throttle response, and more aggressive power curve. It can make the bike feel like a completely different motorcycle. A cam upgrade is not for everyone. If you're perfectly happy with your motorcycle, you may not want to do a cam. The stock setup will serve you well, but many riders just want more power from the factory engine. Stage 2 is perfect. That's why you see cams going into Harleys with only a few hundred miles on them. The guy wants to enjoy the fun that he paid for early and not have to wait. The only issue to worry about, and it's on an individual basis, is your warranty. Most people that own Harleys aren't concerned with the warranty. Some people buy extended warranties. Me personally, I've never let a warranty stop me from doing anything. And to my knowledge, my memory on any of my personal bikes, I've never even really needed a warranty. I've always been able to fix it myself. That's not the case for everyone, but that would be a concern to some people that don't have the ability to work on their own stuff. If you enjoy learning the truth about Harley performance and what really works, you're in the right place. So, as usual, I really appreciate you watching. If you like what I do, hit the subscribe button. If you don't, thanks for watching anyway, because I know you got this far in the video. I'm always here at the shop, usually. If you have any questions, you're more than welcome to email me or call on the phone. If you're within 100 miles, come on by one day. You know, if you have something you want done, come on by and see the shop, talk to us. We're just regular dudes. So, I'm Steve Carr, and I'll talk to you later.